front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and then Gboard. Following that, select text correction and operate all of those options however you want to. If you wish to access text correction options much faster in the future, click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion strip if it's not already on. Then exit Settings, launch your keyboard, and click on gear icon at the top of it to access text correction right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!